Hello, good morning. Okay, so I have like a really busy day today and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so let's go. Okay, so right now I'm going to take my dog out for a walk. Look at him. You see? Oh. Come on, but oh, okay, hello. Hi, let's go for a walk, Boo Boo. Come on. Come here. It is really, really nice out here. It's like, I think it's like 80 something degrees. It's like a little chilly, like with a little wind, but look, guys, look at him. He's just full of energy. Where are you? Come on. Look at all these flowers that my dad planted. These are so cute. And he is so cute. So we're just gonna take this trail and just walk. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking mad because I literally forgot to bring a bag. Because what if he poops? I'm gonna have to come back and pick it up. I freaking knew it. So I'm gonna have to come back. After a long, good walk, you are thirsty. Okay, so after our like long walks, I like to get a paper towel and wet it, and I like to put it on his head because I know he's like really, really hot because, you know, dogs have to move 10 times faster than us because I may not be tired, but he's like exhausted. So I'm gonna do this and put it on his head like that. And then I just do it like that. I'm gonna take its leash off in a second. And just, he really appreciates it when I do this because I know he's really, really hot. I know you're hot. Okay, so I'm ready, and the fit is bummy, but you know what? That is okay because I just want to be comfortable today. You know, like, you know, y'all know. But before I can even go and about my day, I have to do the dishes. Oh my gosh. Over, I can finally leave the house. Well, I'm just so glad that this happened to me because I literally forgot that my gas holder was on the other side of the car. So, oh my gosh. Way to go, Sela. Okay, I made it safely to Joelle's house and I'm about to go inside because we need to vacuum up this car. It's a little dirty. So, oh, let me get out the car.
Thanks for the warning.
Hi. Guys, Joelle is painting her room. She's doing the walls white. Bye-bye purple walls. And I cannot breathe in paint. Oh, just the one?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I can't really breathe in paint fumes, so. Okay, so Joelle's going to be coming out in a second. I told her I was going to wait in the car. And yeah, so I will see you guys at the little car vacuum place thingy majigger. Okay, so we are at the vacuum. Hopefully my phone does not fall. We're at the little vacuum thingy majigger. Okay, we're gonna take out all of that. This door doesn't work, remember? Oh, another side. Sorry, a little ghetto. A little bit ghetto. Let's get cleaning. I'm getting wet because someone's in the car wash. But yay, car's all clean. Okay, so we're at the thrift store, right? Well, we're going to the thrift store. Yeah, we're walking to the thrift store. It's so embarrassing because people are in their cars and watching me record. But you know what? Life of a YouTuber. Okay, so I found a pair of shorts. They're right here, and I'm gonna try them on. Okay, so long story short, I didn't end up getting anything, but Joelle did. I'm so freaking mad, but you know what? It's okay. Because I'm going to Florida in like a couple of days, and I wanted to at least find something, but I found nothing. And it's okay. I'll just have to find something in my closet and make do with what I got. Okay, so we're at Joelle's house and we're eating McDonald's because we just picked it up. So yeah. Now Joelle's gonna redo the front half of my box braids because I'm going to Florida. Okay, so she finished with redoing some of my braids. Now I'm gonna help her with her room. Okay, so I just now left Joelle's house and I'm about to go home. Alrighty, I am back home and oh my gosh, I'm actually kind of Alrighty, well I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching my vlog today. Thank you for coming along with me and watching what I did today. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.